Hey guys, this is Micah White. Hey, look, I'll be willing to bet that you're here looking for ways how to market your Clickbank products or affiliate products. I would say, you know, you're in luck because what I'm about to show you is everything that you need to know from A to Z to effectively go out here and market your product. Now, like I said, you may be on Clickbank, looking to pick one of the products, looking to promote. And, you may be going through the marketplace. And let me see here. Let's just pick something random. Let's just go with something in cooking and food and wine. Okay, and we'll just pick this muscle building cookbook. Okay, so what you'll do, most of the time you can sign up for these affiliate offers. You'll sign up for these affiliate offers and you'll get your affiliate, you'll get a hot link. You'll get a hot link. And that's where some people, you may not know exactly what to do with it. And what a lot of people will end up doing, and if you're doing this, this is where you need to stop. Let's just go to the, let me go to this presentation. Okay. Now, most people are going to get traffic. They're going to get traffic from Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, paid ads, whatever, and if you're taking those people, if you're taking that traffic and running it straight to your sales page, do not do this. This is the wrong way to do it. If you're just going straight from your advertisement, whether it's off of Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, what have you, and you're going straight to your sales page, you're losing out because you're not giving yourself an opportunity to warm up to the crowd, because most people are not going to buy. I mean, you're going to be lucky if you get a 0.5% to buy whatever you're selling. Most people are not going to buy on the first look. I mean, statistics show people have to be touched anywhere from 5 to 7 times before they even think about making a buying decision. So it is important to capture the lead. You need to run these people, and capture their information, preferably an email address. But if you're doing this right here, taking them straight from your ad straight to a sales page, stop it. Stop doing that. This is a better option right here. Now, this is your most common, and this is a good way, but this is your most common. When they come off of, like I say, Facebook, Twitter, wherever you're advertising, they'll come into an opt-in page, and at the opt-in page / squeeze page, you can capture their email address. Okay. Once you capture their email address, now send them on to the sales page. You can send them on to the sales page. Now, but what has happened? The magic has happened. You've captured that lead. You right here, you get to follow up with them. You get to give value. And see, the thing of it is, once you capture that lead, you have that lead for life. You have it until they unsubscribe to your list. But if you nurture that lead, if you nurture these people, trust me, they're going to stay on your list. They're going to look for you for value. They're going to look for you for leadership. And a certain percentage of them may join you in your business. But the thing of it is, you don't have to pay for that lead anymore. I mean, you have that lead until they unsubscribe off your list. You have that lead, so you can market to that lead over and over and over and give value and put, different promotions in front. But this is mainly, the most common way that people do it. They send them to an opt-in page. Hey, onto the sales, capture the information onto the sales page. Then they can follow up with them, and give value through the email. Now, here's another way. That that's good. This is actually I would say a better way in some respects. Okay, once you bring people off wherever you're advertising, whether it's Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, paid ads, what have you. They come into your squeeze page, you capture their email. Okay. Now, what's the difference? You're going to insert a bridge page, a bridge video in between the opt-in page and the sales page. Now, what are you doing here? What you're doing, you're warming these people up to who? To you. I mean, it can be, preferably it needs to be a video of yourself. A quick video, give a little bit of history about yourself. Let them know basically what they're going to get, what they're about to see. On the next page, maybe give them just a little bit about the product, but mainly, let them know who you are. This is branding right here. This is branding 101 right here. You make just make a quick explainer video of who you are. I mean, it could be a talking head video. It could be, it could be a, an article about you with your picture on it. Anything. Or it could be a narration video. Anything just to introduce yourself, because once you start to introduce yourself, you're going to have less people. You're going to have less people opting out of your list. Because why? They know you. They're going to like you. And they're going to start to trust you. And when they know, like, and trust you, hey, they will follow you in your businesses. But this is a better way. Opt in, get the email, get their information onto a bridge page, then onto your sales page. Okay? Now, this is another twist to it. This is this next way I'm about to show you. Now, this is a way that, because on this way, okay, you're going to have a certain percentage of people that's going to get your bridge page. They're going to get to your bridge page. And this is just the reality of it. Some people are just not going to like you. They're not going to like the way you look. They're not going to like the way you talk. It's going to be something, just a small percentage. Just a small percentage. And they're going to opt out here, and they'll never make it to the sales page. They'll never make it to the sales page. That's one drawback to the bridge page here. But honestly speaking, I think the benefits far outweigh the negativity. I think the benefits of having your bridge page here outweigh, it outweighs the adverse effect that it may have by lessening your chances of the people making it to the sales page. But the next way is this way. Now, this way you're going to get maximum conversions. You're going to get the maximum amount of people to your sales page. But on the flip side, you capture the email. Now you send them a branding video through the email. You follow me? Because, okay, they opt in. They go on to the sales page. Because most people, once they opt in, hey, I want to see the sales page. They go straight to the sales page. Then you're going to start to send them, you'll start sending them your follow-up emails. But especially like in that initial email, that first email, hey, you want to go ahead and introduce yourself. You want to go ahead and make a video and sort of brand yourself, put yourself in front of those people. Now, between this way and that way, either way is good. Either way is good. But I can say on this way, you're going to get the maximum amount of people onto your sales page. Whereas here, people, some people are finicky. Some people are just the way they are. They may not like the way you look. They may not like the way you talk. They may not like something about you. I don't know. And they may just click off here and they never make it to your sales page. So I can say these two ways, this way and this way, are your best ways. Hey, I forgot to change that to, okay, fourth way. But this is the best, this is the most common way right here. This is a way that, you're going to get results if you do it this way. And it's nothing wrong with sending them to your opt-in page, capturing their email or capturing their name and email and sending them on to the sales page. It's nothing. It's not a thing in the world wrong with that. This right here, it is something wrong with this. You do not go from this to your sales page and capture no information, because you will be paying for leads from now on. You'll never build a list. You'll never be able to follow up with anybody. You'll never be able to build that know, like, and trust factor with anybody, because you do not have any information. You are not creating a database. But these ways right here, this is your magic right here. The fortune is in the follow-up. Follow up right here. Follow up right here. You know. But these last two, hey, bridge page to the sales page. Or get the email, then brand yourself. That's how you promote your products. Now, if you know, it'll be a link in the description of and you can get a 14-day trial on how to build on a program, software that I use and a lot of marketers use. That's very popular, very easy to use, that you can build these elaborate, not elaborate, but you know, I mean, they can be elaborate. You can build some awesome looking opt-in / squeeze pages and sales pages. I mean, you know, but I have a link in the description. Actually, I have a link also of who I use for my email follow-up. All that stuff will be in the description. But please, if you need to look at this video again, look at it. But this is the way you do it right here. This right here, Funnel Flow 4, Funnel Flow 3. These are the way that the professional, the big boys, the people that's out here that's really making it happen inside network marketing, internet marketing, you know, this is how they're doing it. This is how they're doing it. They are not spamming their links all over the place and running people straight to a sales page. They're not doing that. They are capturing their information. They're capturing their information. They're branding themselves through a bridge page, and then they're sending them on through the sales process. But that's how it's done, folks. This is Micah White. I'm signing off. If you got some value out of this video, please hit that subscribe button and also hit the bell notification so you'll get my new videos when I put them out. I'm always trying to put out some value, but like I said, subscribe to my channel. Hey, let's stay in touch. But until the next video, hey, peace and prosperity.